The second part of it has to do with agenda postings. And I understand that this is kind of wax and wanes from time to time, and I want to reestablish real clarity. Agenda items would be due in the county judge's office to Annabelle. Agenda items would be due by noon on Thursday, including whatever backup information that you have. In other words, if I'm trying to think of, well, like an item that we have coming up from Monique's office today, where we're going to be approving a plat. When she posts that agenda item or gives that agenda item the Thursday before, it would also have the information about the plat. So you would have from Thursday afternoon until, or Friday when the agenda is posted, until Wednesday to review that information. And we'll try to hold everybody to that schedule. That would be my intention. The last part of this, and I've gotten this in conversation from other county judges, would be, and I don't have, I don't want to name exactly what we're going to do, but we could discuss this at one of our more workshop meetings, is asking commissioners to take on a responsibility of being a liaison for a particular department. And I'll use one that's on the agenda today. Mike Hunt might be the liaison with the Historical Commission. He's already sort of doing that, but that would, so when something comes to us, or when there's something going on in the Historical Commission, he would have a much deeper knowledge of what's going on maybe than the rest of us. And he would, like, if they needed something, he might say, he might be able to represent the commissioner's court ideas about, well, this is kind of how this would work if you want this to come to the commissioner's court. And we would divide these functions up in the county, where maybe one commissioner might be designated as a liaison to Historical Commission, one to HR, one to IT. Just so we'd have so one guy on the commissioner's court would have a really deeper knowledge. Now they're not going to have, we're not giving them any authority to make decisions for us. They're just going to, it's just an opportunity for them to be a liaison or sort of a go-to person for that department. And I'm throwing that out there. We can talk about that. There's no urgency in doing that, but they are doing this in other counties, and I think it works pretty well.